Good morning, Lawton. Thank you. Oh, there, just hang up. Thank you.
Tweed is a rugged woolen cloth that derives its name from the Scottish word tweel. Or maybe the River Tweed. No one really knows. It is a plain woven textile with a twill or herringbone structure, and its manufacture is most closely associated with Scotland and Ireland. First, Scotland. Harris tweed is world famous. Woven from virgin wool in the Isles of the Outer Hebrides. It was originally worn for its weather-beating properties. A tweed three-piece is like a suit of armour, robust, warm and water-resistant. While the colours, derived from natural vegetable dyes, reflect the Highland environment. Harris tweed is even protected by its own trademark, none genuine without the orb. Meanwhile, from the old country, Irish as a pint of Guinness, Donegal Tweed developed for much the same reason, as a hardy working man's cloth. It is, however, characterised by its distinctive weave, which gives rise to slubs or random flecks of colour, which have made it more of a casual cloth. As worn by famous Irishman John Wayne in the film The Quiet Man. Like most things, tweed was popularised by the Victorians and Edwardians as hunting, shooting and fishing wear. Later, by the 1930s, the tweed jacket was the almost universal sports coat for the gentleman off duty. Tweed can be sporty, smart, casual, cool, even trendy, and has never been more popular than it is now with our return to time-tested natural fabrics. What's for sure is that tweed is here to stay, and every gentleman should have at least one well-loved tweed jacket in his wardrobe. As well as jackets, tweed is now made into all sorts of other items. Ties, luggage, wallets, caps and hats, such as the famous deerstalker worn by Sherlock Holmes. Elementary, my dear Trousers. Peter Christian, The Art of Dressing.